Shalom, and welcome to the third lesson of my Hebrew course, where we dive into essential Hebrew vocabulary and practice using it in real-life sentences. So, without further ado, let's begin. In previous lessons, we've learned that to say I want as a male, you need to say אני רוצה, אני רוצה. And to say I want as a female, you need to say אני רוצה, אני רוצה. Our first new word for this lesson will be להזמין. להזמין, which can be used to say to order, to book, to reserve, or to invite. להזמין. Our next word is shalom. Shalom, which is used to say hello. Our next word is please. בבקשה. בבקשה. The word for a table is שולחן. שולחן. And the word for people is אנשים. אנשים. Now, let's create a few sentences. To say, I want to reserve a table, please. As a male, say, אני רוצה להזמין שולחן בבקשה. אני, I, רוצה, want, singular male, להזמין, to reserve, שולחן, a table, בבקשה, please. אני רוצה להזמין שולחן בבקשה. And as a female, say, אני רוצה להזמין שולחן בבקשה. Now, if you call a restaurant and ask to reserve a table, they would ask, for how many people? לכמה אנשים? לכמה אנשים? כמה is used for asking how many or how much. כמה. And the letter lamed can be added at the beginning of the word to say for. ל. So, to ask for how many, we would say לכמה. לכמה. To answer that question, we will need to begin with lamed to say for, and then say how many people. To say to, of, when referring to males or a mixed group, we would say שני. שני. Since we are referring to אנשים, people, all of the next numbers will also be for males or a mixed group. 3 of will be שלושה. שלושה. 4 is ארבעה. ארבעה. 5 is חמישה. חמישה. 6 is שישה. שישה. 7 is שבעה. שבעה. 8 is שמונה. שמונה. 9 is תשעה. תשעה. And 10 is עשרה. עשרה. So to say for 2 people, we would say לשני אנשים. לשני אנשים. To say for 4 people, you would say לארבעה אנשים. לארבעה אנשים. To say, I want to reserve a table for 2 people, please. As a male, say, אני רוצה להזמין שולחן לשני אנשים, בבקשה. אני רוצה להזמין שולחן לשני אנשים, בבקשה. To say, I want to reserve a table for 5 people, please. As a female, say, אני רוצה להזמין שולחן ל5 אנשים, בבקשה. אני רוצה להזמין שולחן ל5 אנשים, בבקשה. Now, they will probably ask you, for what time? לאיזו שעה? לאיזו, for which, שעה, hour. לאיזו שעה? To answer that question, you will begin by saying לשעה, לשעה, and then say the time to which you want to reserve the table. To say, for 8 o'clock, say לשעה 8. לשעה 8. So again, לשעה means for hour, and 8 means 8. לשעה 8. To say for 7 o'clock, say לשעה 7. לשעה 7. Let's say you don't want to be there at 8, but at 8:15 or 8:30 or 6:45. To say half past or and a half, say וחצי. וחצי. To say quarter past or and a quarter, say ורבע. ורבע. And to say quarter to, say רבע ל. רבע ל. We've just learned that le can be used to say 4, but it can also be used to say 2, just like in quarter to. רבע ל. To say for 8:30, say לשעה 8:30. לשעה 8:30. To say for 6:15, say לשעה 6:15. לשעה 6:15. To say for 9:45, say ל9:45. ל9:45. As you can see, the numbers here are different than when we were speaking about people. That's because people are considered masculine in Hebrew and our is feminine. To learn more about telling the time in Hebrew, check out the video in the corner of the screen. Now, let's do a few exercises. How would you say, "Hello, I would like to reserve a table, please," as a male? שלום, אני רוצה להזמין שולחן בבקשה. שלום, hello. I רוצה, want, singular male, להזמין, to reserve, שולחן, a table, בבקשה, please. How would you say, "Hello, I would like to reserve a table for 2 people for 8:30, please," as a female? שלום, אני רוצה להזמין שולחן ל2 אנשים לשעה 8:30 בבקשה. שלום, hello. I רוצה, want, singular female, להזמין, to reserve, שולחן, a table, ל2, for 2 of, אנשים, people, לשעה 8, for 8 o'clock, וחצי, and a half, בבקשה, please. How would you say, "I want to reserve a table for 1:15 as a male"? אני רוצה להזמין שולחן לשעה 1:15. I רוצה, want, singular male, להזמין, to reserve, שולחן, a table, ל1:15, for 1:15 or 1:15. You can also drop the word שעה and just say, אני רוצה להזמין שולחן ל1:15. How would you say, "I want to reserve a table for 6:45 as a female"? אני רוצה להזמין שולחן לשעה 6:45. I רוצה, want, singular female, להזמין, to reserve, שולחן, a table, לשעה 6:45, for 6:45. Try to think of more sentences and write them in the comments below. If you want to learn more and to support the channel so I can continue creating content for you, join my Patreon page. You can find the link in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, press like and subscribe so you will be the first to know when I release more videos.